Hey guys, my name is Pushpendra Saini. Once again, I came with a very interesting tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm telling you how you can control the badge of the application. Basically, the badge means the counter over the icon. When you are receiving any push notification, or if you are increasing the counter from your own coding, then how you can control. So in this tutorial, I'm going to tell you the complete scenario how you can control that. And this tutorial I'm making on the basis of my viewer requirement. Okay, so let's dive into the programming and understand what are the procedure is required for increasing the counter and decreasing the badge counter of the application icon. So as here you can see, I have given 1200 badge over the icon. So you can see over the icon this is 1200. Okay, so how we can increase, how we can decrease, let's understand that, and what are the procedure you have to follow while you are making this approach. Okay, so the use case can be a push notification, can be any order placing things. Suppose if your application is containing the place order functionality, then you can make that as like order has been placed from this application. So now let's deep dive into the programming. So this is fresh project, I did not involve any coding till now. Okay, so here as you can see, we have the application delegate at the very first sign. Okay, so before that, what you need to do, you have to request the push notification authorization. Okay, after that the complete coding will be there. So before going into the programming, I'm just removing this application. Okay, so let's start. At the very first, we have to take the like permission from the user side to handle the badge counter. So un user notification center dot current dot request authorization, here completed, or we can say error. So here we can print the statement of completed. Okay, now over here what type of request I required. So options dot alert badge or CarPlay. So here we required the badge. Now I will run the application. So if you run the application, then you will receive badge would like to send you a notification. Okay, so if you click on allow, then we can handle the counter. So here I'm going to place the code for the counter, and before that I'm going to take one button in my controller which will handle the controller. Okay, so I have two button. So here one button I will use for increase, decrease. Okay, so one button is for increase, one button is for decrease. Now I will set the button layout in my controller. Button increase, button decrease. So now I will go to my view controller. I am going to set the counter over here, means I am going to set the function. Okay, so one function I will create, obj private func on tap increase, and same function I'm going to create for on tap decrease. Okay, now did set here self dot button increase dot add target. Target will be self, selector will be on tap increase, and this will be touch up inside. So this is very basic line. I think everyone know about that. Okay, how to set the click event for the function. Okay, so this will for a decrease. Now what is the code for increasing and what is the code for decreasing? So first of all, we will type for the increase code. So here let current badge equal to UI application dot share dot application icon badge number. So UI application dot share dot application badge counter. Actually this function will work for get and set both. Okay, so here current badge plus 1. So this is the code for increasing. Now let's see code for increasing. Increasing and decreasing, same code, we have to make the minus. Now let's see the output. Here if you will see, there is 0 page. Okay, so now I will increase, and here we will see 1. I will again increase, then we will see 2. Again we will increase, then 3. So it will keep increasing, increase. So here the counter will increase. Right now there is 12. Okay, so if I click on decrease, then we will see the decreased one, that is 11. If I click on decrease once again, then there should be 10. So here it is 10. So this is very simple code. If you are using the push notification, then in the APS you can just add badge and you can give the number. I'm just writing over here because I'm not integrating with the help of push notification. So you can write BADGE double equals, you can give any number like 12 or 1 or 2, whatever you are giving, that will accept. Okay, so this is the code for like increasing, decreasing the page counter. If you have any query in that, please write me and put into the comment box. And if you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Have a great time. Bye bye.